If you want to change your website name in Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to rename your website quickly and easily, so you can keep your dashboard organized and make your sites easier to identify. This is especially useful if you manage more than one website, or if your current site name no longer matches your brand. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Websites. This is where all of your hosted websites are listed in one place. Now find the website you want to rename. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. Next, click Manage next to the website you want to update. That will open the site's overview page, where you can see details and settings for that specific website. On the overview page, look for the section labeled Website Name. This is the name that appears inside your Bluehost dashboard, so changing it helps keep everything neat and easy to manage. When you find website name, click the rename option next to it. A field will appear where you can type the new website name you want to use. Enter a clear name that makes sense for your project, brand, or business. After typing the new name, click Save to apply the change. Once you save it, Bluehost should update the website name in your account right away. To make sure everything worked correctly, go back to Websites and confirm that the new name is now displayed. If it shows the updated name, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully changed your website name in Bluehost. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference when you're managing multiple sites or keeping your dashboard organized. If this video helps you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.